Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your GK teacher. In last class, we have learned about brainstorming, chapter 42. Write the numbers 1 to 12 in such a way that the sum along the lines in the same. A number can be used only once. We already solved this problem. Number problem is given, and second number we circle the odd one out in each set and see fill in the blanks to complete the analogies. Car, driver, aeroplane, pilot. Fruit, orchard, and grapes, grapeyard. Shoes, feet, and cap were on head. Book, paper, and cup, glass. Smelling by nose and sight, eyes. Skin, animal, and bark of a tree. And today we are going to know about solve the problem puzzle time. It is given in your chapter 43. Let us start its puzzle time. Work out the answers to the following puzzles. Some puzzle questions are given here. You have to listen carefully and solve these puzzles. First is given, at a party you meet your mother's only sister's husband's sister-in-law. She has no brother. What do you call this lady? This lady will be your mother. You can write here answer mother. Second, a carpenter was in a terrible hurry. He had to work as quickly as possible to cut a very heavy 10-foot plank into 10 equal sections. If it takes 1 minute per cut, how long will it take him to cut the plank into 10 equal pieces? It will take 9 minutes. Because carpenter was in hurry and he will cut that 10-foot plank into 10 equal pieces and 1 minute per cut. Okay, and one piece already it will be divided, then it will take 9 minutes. Answer you can write here 9. Okay, come on. Third, a man started walking west. He turned right, then right again, and then left. In which direction is he walking now? He will walking on north because he started walking west. He turned right and then right. Right and right means west, north and then east. When he turn again left, he will reach on the north. Answer is north. You have to write here north. Come on. Fourth, Johnny's mother had 3 children. The first child was named April. The second child was named May. What was the third child's name? In the starting of the puzzle, it is already given that Johnny's mother means Johnny is a also child of that mother, and 2 names are given here, April and May, means third child name was Johnny. You have to write here Johnny. Come on, fifth. An old friend of a family left $666 and 666 to two father and two sons to be split equally. It will be divided between the two father and two sons equally. After careful consideration, they each happily received 222 and $222. How was this possible? This is possible because old friend of a family left and two father and two sons, means because three persons only there, grandfather, father and son. Two sons means father and son, and two fathers means grandfather and father. So there only three persons are there and it can be equally divided. 222. Come on, 6. A man and his son are driving home from a football match when they have a terrible accident. The man is taken to the emergency room for treatment and the boy is taken straight to the operation table. The surgeon comes over the operating table, sees the boy and says, "I can't operate on this patient. He is my son. How can this be?" It can be because surgeon was his mother. Because mother cannot operate her son. Okay, a man and his son are driving. That man taken emergency. He was the father of that boy, and which doctor is coming for operating that son, that she is the mother of that son, that boy. You can write answer, surgeon was his mother. That's why she not ready to operate him. 7th, I am the third, yet I am called the second. I am the longest, still I am considered the smallest. What am I? I am the third. Means third position, but yet I am called the second. And I am the longest still. I am considered the smallest. What am I? Needle of second in a clock. Needle of second always in third, but it is called second needle. And it is longest of the all needles, but still it is considered as smallest. Second. That's why you can write here answer, needle of second in a clock. Let us revise this chapter. At a party, you meet your mother's only sister's husband's sister-in-law, and she has no brothers. What do you call this lady? Answer is mother. Second, a carpenter was in a terrible hurry. He had to work as quickly as possible to cut a very heavy 10-foot plank into 10 equal sections. If it takes 1 minute per cut, how long will it take him to cut the plank into 10 equal pieces? And answer is 9. Third, a man started walking west to turn right, then right again, and then left. In which direction is he walking now? Answer is north. Fourth, Johnny's mother had three children. The first child was named April. The second child was named May. What was the third child's name? And answer is Johnny. Fifth, an old friend of a family left $666, 662, two fathers and two sons to be split equally. After careful consideration, they each happily received 2022 and 2022 dollars. How was this possible? Because there were only three persons: grandfather, father, and son. Come on, 6. A man and his son are driving home from a football match when they have a terrible accident. The man is taken to the emergency room for treatment, and the boy is taken straight to the operation table. The surgeon comes over to the operating table, see the boy, and says, "I can't operate on this patient. He is my son. He is my son. How can this be? Surgeon was his mother." Answer is surgeon was his mother. Now come on, 7th. I am the third, yet I am called the second. I am the longest, still I am considered the smallest. What am I? And the answer is needle of second in a clock. That's all for today. In next class, we will study about manage the matchsticks. This is also a type of puzzle you have to solve in chapter 44. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.